Introducing the MTM-250-1600 Torque Tester Universal from Flexible Assembly Systems. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO combines precision, durability, and ease of use to deliver accurate and reliable results. With a broad torque range of 25-250/161,600 InLb, the AUET/MTM-250-1600 caters to a wide variety of testing requirements, making it an indispensable tool for various industries. The 3/81/2 drive size provides compatibility with a wide range of sockets and attachments, ensuring versatility in your testing tasks. The torque tester offers 3 operating modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to select the most suitable mode for your specific application. The adjustable auto clear feature simplifies the testing process by automatically resetting the display after a predetermined time, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual intervention. The included repeatable joint simulator enables accurate and consistent testing, ensuring reliable and repeatable results. With its user-friendly features and exceptional performance, the AUET/MTM-250-1600 Torque Tester Universal is a must-have tool for quality control and testing professionals. Invest in this reliable and accurate torque tester and experience the confidence of precise and repeatable measurements. Visit FlexibleAssembly.com today to learn more and to place your order.